Ladies and gentlemen, pioneers around the world, welcome back once again. Today's video is extremely important because thousands of Pi users are currently being targeted by dangerous phishing websites designed to steal wallets and drain years of mining within minutes. These scams are becoming more advanced every day, and many fake Pi wallet pages now look almost identical to the real wallet interface. The colors, logos, buttons, and layouts appear authentic, making it very difficult for some users to notice the difference at first glance. But behind those professional-looking pages is a dangerous trap created to steal your 24-word passphrase, and once scammers gain access to that phrase, your Pi can disappear forever. That is why this discussion matters so much today, because we are going to explain how these scams work, why scammers are aggressively targeting the Pi community, and most importantly, how every pioneer can protect their wallet before it is too late. Many people have spent years mining Pi consistently, believing in the future of digital finance and decentralized technology. Imagine losing all of that progress in less than 1 minute simply because of one fake website. Sadly, this is exactly what is happening to many victims right now. Most phishing attacks begin with fear or urgency. A pioneer receives a message saying, "Your wallet needs verification," "migration issue detected," or "unlock your wallet immediately." The message creates panic, and when people panic, they stop paying attention to details. The victim clicks the link and sees what looks like a real Pi wallet page. Everything appears normal, but the page then asks for the 24-word passphrase. This is where many users make the biggest mistake because they still do not fully understand what the passphrase truly represents. Your 24-word passphrase is not just a password, it is complete ownership of your wallet. Whoever controls those words controls the Pi inside the wallet permanently. That means if scammers obtain your passphrase, they no longer need your email, your password, or your phone number. The wallet becomes theirs completely. Right now, scammers are spreading fake domains pretending to be connected to Pi network. One example is fake websites like pibrowser.org, which is not an official Pi domain. The official Pi homepage is minepi.com, and the wallet should only be accessed through the official Pi browser application downloaded from trusted app stores. This is extremely important because scammers create domains that look almost identical to official ones, hoping users will not notice tiny differences. Sometimes they change only one letter or add extra symbols. Many users click too quickly without checking carefully, and that single mistake can cost everything. This is why slowing down matters so much. Before clicking any wallet link or entering any sensitive information, always verify the domain carefully. Another major warning sign is poor spelling and grammar. Many phishing websites contain typing mistakes because scammers rush to create fake pages quickly. For example, some fake pages misspell words like available. These small details are often huge warning signs. And here is one of the most important truths every pioneer must remember forever. No real Pi moderator, support staff member, or core team representative will ever ask for your 24-word passphrase. Never. Under any circumstances. If someone asks for your passphrase, they are trying to steal your wallet. Unfortunately, scammers have become experts at pretending to help people. Some claim they can fix KYC problems, speed up migration, or recover lost wallets. Others promise fake investment opportunities or claim they can multiply your Pi balance. But behind every one of these stories is the same goal: stealing your wallet. Artificial intelligence is also making these scams more sophisticated than ever before. Fake websites look more professional, fake support chats sound realistic, and fake messages appear convincing. This means the Pi community must become smarter and more security conscious than ever before, because appearances alone can no longer be trusted. Some of the most common phishing methods targeting pioneers right now include fake wallet unlock pages, fake KYC verification links, fake Pi giveaways, fake support accounts, and fake live streams pretending to be official Pi broadcasts. This is why education is one of the most powerful weapons against phishing attacks. Every pioneer should memorize a few important rules immediately. Rule number 1. Never share your 24-word passphrase with anyone. Not a friend, not a support account, not a Telegram admin, and not any website outside the official Pi browser wallet. No one should ever ask for it. Rule number 2. Use only official Pi applications downloaded from trusted app stores. Avoid unofficial APK files and suspicious downloads shared online. Rule number 3. Always verify domains carefully before entering wallet information. Rule number 4. Never trust urgency, because scammers use fear to force quick emotional decisions. Messages saying "act now" or "immediate verification required" are often psychological tricks designed to bypass your critical thinking. Rule number 5. Store your passphrase securely offline. Do not keep screenshots of it in your gallery or send it through messaging apps. Write it down safely and protect it carefully, because that phrase represents your wallet ownership. As Pi network continues growing globally, phishing attacks will continue increasing because scammers follow large communities filled with potential victims. The same thing happened with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other crypto ecosystems. That is why security awareness is absolutely essential. Some people believe they could never fall for scams, but phishing attacks do not target only inexperienced users. Even intelligent people make mistakes when they are distracted, emotional, tired, or rushed. Scammers understand human psychology very well. They create pressure, fear, excitement, and confusion because emotional decisions often lead to costly mistakes. This is why slowing down before clicking anything is one of the most powerful habits in crypto security. Before ending today's video, let us repeat the most important message one final time. Never enter your 24-word passphrase on random websites. Never trust links sent through Telegram, WhatsApp, Messenger, or YouTube comments. Always verify domains carefully, and remember this forever. The moment someone asks for your passphrase, they are trying to steal your wallet. No exceptions. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Share this video with as many pioneers as possible, because one warning could save someone from losing years of mining. Stay informed, stay cautious, protect your wallet carefully, and we will see you again in the next video.